everybody, this is Bry Guy How To Reviews, and today I'm going to be doing my first tech video log. So today I'm going to be upgrading the RAM in my daily driver laptop here, which is an HP Pavilion X360. It has an Intel Core i5 processor, how many gigahertz it's clocked at, but it has 8 gigs of RAM, so 8 gigs is kind of not enough for me, so I've learned over time, like with the video editing software, it tends to lock up the system more. So I'm going to be trying to fix some of those problems with upgrading the RAM, which this also means that I can run Google Chrome and Adobe Premiere Elements at the same time. And I also want to give a quick disclaimer. Even though my channel is named Bry Guy How To Reviews, even though it has the word how to in it, this video is still a tech video log. This is not a dedicated how-to tutorial. So please don't take anything that I say in here too seriously like it's a tutorial. Don't take it as a tutorial. Take it as a tech video log. Although you can still learn stuff from a tech video log, tech video log is still a tech video log. So honestly, what gave me the confidence to do this was just watching a bunch of videos on computer repairs. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and do the repair. So let's go. Alright, so as you can see, I placed my laptop on a towel because I want to protect it with the utmost care. And when I say repair or replace, I mean like getting dents and scratches into the body, but that doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and pop this open. You just need a simple Phillips bit, which is very simple compared to some newer laptops. Apple. There's just 2 Phillips head screws here. And then turning it around, just gotta peel these off. Come on, bear. Come on there, buddy. And then you'll see 2 screws underneath. And if you would like to see a how-to tutorial on this, just let me know in the comments. And then you're going to need a card or a pick to get this open. So let me go ahead and just... Oh, there's opening. Come on. Come on there, buddy. Oh. There we go. Ooh, man. That is a lot of dust. I know you can't really see it on camera, but... Hold on, let me turn this around. So yeah, this is actually pretty interesting. I have not opened this up before. But as you can see, you know, there's the SSD and the battery. That would explain the 4 hours of battery life. That battery is so small. Wow. CPU is probably somewhere under here. Oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oops. Yeah, the CPU's under there. Right under the heatsink. And I'm guessing the RAM is under here, so let me just pop this off. Well, first, before I do anything, I completely forgot this, but this is a very important step. So when attempting any repairs or upgrades on a computer, make sure you disconnect the battery or take it out in this case. And there we go. The battery just lifts right out of place. Alright, now back to the battery replacement. The RAM replacement. Oops. Let me turn it so that you guys can see. Come on there, buddy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, he don't want to come out. You know what? I'm just gonna make this easier for me and for you guys. You know what? Now, both of us can see it the same way. Alright. So, there's an arrow right here. I don't think you can see that on the camera, but... Now, before you guys start going, oh, don't touch it with metal, it's on recently. I actually haven't turned this thing on since yesterday. It's like 5 in the evening. So... And it's been off all day. There we go. Hopefully I did not damage something, because that would just be bad. Alright. So, there's the 8 gig stick that I have. Let's go ahead and try to install this new stick. Alright. Oh, this goes the other way. Wait a second. Hold on a minute. No, don't tell. I bought the wrong stick. I bought the wrong stick. Wow. I can't believe it. Alright, so I'm gonna get a closer look at these. As y'all can see, they don't match. I bought the wrong stick. Wow. Well, I'm gonna return this and see if I can get my money back. Well, that was a complete waste of time. And see if I can find the right stick. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put this back together. And then I'm gonna hit up Amazon again and see what I did wrong. Or if I can get the right part. Alright, so I did some research. Apparently HP made like 1,000 models of the Pavilion X360, so it took me a while to find this one. Well, actually I didn't really find it because apparently the same model number that the system was giving, it says a bunch of websites are saying that that model doesn't exist. So I found a similar part which, according to the specs, looks like it'll fit, and hopefully it does fit. So it's for a similar model, a very similar model of the Pavilion, so let's just hope it works. Oh, it must be here. Alright, so it's been hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks since I've been able to touch this project. So obviously I had to put my computer back together because I use it for other stuff. So I took it apart again so that I could do this project. So yeah, I did order the new RAM, which I should probably go get. Here it is. As you saw, it's crucial. It is crucial memory. So this should fit. So yeah, here it is. It didn't come with instructions or anything, but am I supposed to take this piece off? Probably not, but alright. Let's go ahead and see if it fits. Oops, just dropped it. Alright, there we go, so that you all can see it. And it does fit. We just push it down and... Whew, man. Okay, I think we might be good to go. Let's try and power this thing on. And let's see if it'll turn on, because in case you don't know, even though if the RAM fits, it might not be compatible with the system. So let's just hope it is. Alright, so I kind of went the lazy route and didn't even bother screwing it in. I just put the bottom on and let gravity and friction do the rest of the work. I mean, it should stay because, I mean, there are clips holding the bottom cover together. But anyway, let's put all that aside and let's just see if it'll boot. This is the moment right here. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, yeah. It usually brings up this screen like anytime I take the battery out and then put it back in. It's just press enter and reboot. Yes, it works. Wait, I'm not getting too excited yet, but I mean, I see the spinning loading bar, or the spinning loading thing. Holy. Wait, why is my night shift on? Alright, let's go ahead and launch the task manager. And it worked. Wait, oh my gosh. Hold on, I know you guys can't see it. Give me a second. Alright, so I just learned another one of this camera's weaknesses, and it apparently seems to be displays. Does turn the brightness down help? No, but yeah, apparently any type of screen is this camera's weakness. I know you all can hardly see it, but let me just zoom in right there. 11.8 gigs, which is equivalent to 12 gigs. So let me go ahead and just see if I can launch the editing software real quick. Now I guess y'all see why I use the screen recording softwares whenever I can. Because this camera does not like screen. Oh, that's right. I need my external hard drive because that 256 gig SSD in there is way too small for what I use this computer for. Wow. It is so much quicker. Oh my gosh. Now I have to go locate these files. Media pending. So this is actually a video that I'm gonna post on Instagram soon once I finish it. I mean, wow. This thing is, I mean, it usually drops more frames than this, but I mean, let's just play the clip back. Oh yeah, that's very choppy. Let me go ahead and render this. I want to see how fast it can render these clips. Yeah, but it usually does drop about this many frames when I'm scrubbing. When I'm playing back and I render all the media, it usually plays back fine. But yeah, it's just I have more RAM now. I mean, Google Chrome is my main web browser, and that's what I mostly use. Well, no, I mostly use this computer for video editing. I don't even know what I mostly use this computer for, but yeah, I usually use Google Chrome as my main web browser. Sometimes I'll use Edge for other stuff, but when I'm typically using the internet, I usually go into Chrome. And if you guys know Chrome, you know Chrome is a hog when it comes to resources. So yeah, that's gonna help a lot. Alright, so I am calling this a total win. The computer is performing better than it did, but some of that limitations is by the processor in here. But I can now open Adobe Premiere, Elements, and Google Chrome at the same time which was previously impossible with 8 gigs of RAM. So let me know what you think, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.